Hey skaters, today I'm going to try to explain how to do a fakie carve in the bowl. I'm just learning. It's totally new to me. It feels very foreign to me. So we had a request for this, so I'm going to try to explain how I'm learning it. It's not the best at all, by far at all, but it is fun to do. So I'll try to explain it. We're going to do it right here in this
little bowl area here.
Okay. A line selection, I think, is important. I talked about this in carving a bowl in one of the previous videos under our roller skating and skate parks playlist. So check that out if you'd like. But I think line selection is key here. So if you look at this, this is kind of a rectangle. It is a rectangle. So I'm going in this way.
Okay.
So what you want to do is, see how there's two corners?
Yes,
you want to come up like about to here.
Okay.
And you're gonna chop off this corner at a 45.
Okay.
So you're gonna come across the bottom and then come up to the midway point right there.
Okay.
And then come back across. And if this was going to be a square, you'd be at the midway point here. You're just trying to, you know, kind of square off or chop off those corners.
Okay.
And that gives you the pump in the bowl.
All
so
right.
I'm going to try to do it fakie. Let's see if it works out.
All right, let's see. Get up a little speed, go over here. All right. You carve around this little area, and then he's
I think I turn this way.
Okay.
Look over this shoulder.
So he's looking over his right shoulder. His left foot is in front, and his right foot is behind. I see that.
I see where you're going.
Yeah, you're looking back over your back shoulder, shoulder open, right?
For me, yeah. For
Okay.
me, I'm entering in this way, and I've got my right foot back behind me, my left foot in front. I'm staggered, low, arms back.
Looking back over
my right shoulder, where I want to go.
Yeah, looking where you want to go. That's super important, yeah.
Going this way, carving this way.
Okay.
I've tried it this way, staggered this
the other way, yeah.
This way, and tried to turn this way. It's very, very weird.
Yeah.
If someone can do that, I'd like to see how you guys explain how you do it that way. For me, it feels a little bit easier to do it this way.
Feels more natural to you, yeah.
You know, it's really, really foreign feeling.
Yeah.
It feels really weird.
Right, okay.
I'll try it again. I'm going to come in.
Okay.
To the right.
He's going to get a little speed, carve around this little area here, come back around, and then we're heading over here. All right, he's turning around, looking over his back shoulder, dip, dip, into the pocket, dip, haha.
So you're carving that thing. So I'm not going up high at all.
No, you're keeping it low.
But I'm trying to get my steering and trying to concentrate on the line selection, which is important. So try it again.
Okay. Looking for that line. He's turning around. He's looking over his back shoulder. He's dipping down into the pocket.
I didn't do it well that time. I went too soon. So
okay. He's going to give it another go. Try to do it a little better. Yeah. We're just learning as we go here. Yeah. That's right. All right. And here we go. Going into the pocket and up and into the pocket. Oh, that was better. I see. Yeah, a little bit better.
I'll try a little faster.
All right. He's going to go over there and get some speed and come back toward us to again do his fakie carve. Hi. Here he comes. Into the pocket and up, into the pocket and up and around.
That was a little better.
All right.
I think that was a little better. Had a little more speed.
Yeah.
But it's definitely not perfect.
No, but it's progress.
Really
it's progress, not perfection, right?
So hopefully you guys like that, and the person that requested that, I hope it helps you, because that's what our channel is all about, just trying to help out other skaters and spread the love for that, because it's just so fun.
And thanks for the great request.
Thanks for the great request. So if you guys like that, please put your comments below, like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.